Hi guys. This one might make some people cheer. We're at Neon Nettles, neonnettles.com. Pedophile's decapitated body found outside judge's home after a bail hearing. By Jay Greenberg. 20 September 2017. Headless corpse discovered on doorstep after walking free on bail. The body of the headless man that was discovered outside a judge's home has been identified as that of a pedophile who walked free from a recent bail hearing. William Smith, 28, of Dallas, Texas, was discovered in the early hours of Tuesday morning, decapitated and left outside the front door of a judge who had granted him bail in August. Smith had been arrested last month following complaints from his ex-girlfriend that he had raped her 8-year-old daughter. Following his arrest, he was charged with 2 counts related to child pornography and 1 count of child molestation. After being charged, Smith was held on a $30,000 bail, which he was able to pay, and walked free from the court. The judge granted bail after ruling that Smith didn't pose a threat to the local community. Unless, of course, they're 8-year-old girls. The victim's family said they were shocked that her rapist had been allowed to walk free from court. Smith was awaiting trial for his crimes and was awaiting a court date which was due to be scheduled for later that year. According to reports, the judge, whose name has been withheld, was awoken at around 3 a.m. by his barking dog. I challenge why they should withhold his name. I think somebody needs to go look up in public records to find out who that judge is. We need to know this. When he went outside to check, he found the decapitated corpse outside his front door and the head left on the steps. What a way to wake up. Investigating officers described his death as resembling a gangland-style execution. A local resident said the horrific discovery that finding a headless body was an unusual incident. Unless, of course, you're in an Islamic-held area. This is a nice area. This is the kind of thing that usually happens in mob films, but not around here. Police say they are currently following leads, but have yet to make any arrests for the murder. As far as I'm concerned, maybe they ought to just let this one slide, pretty much like the judge did. I reiterate again, we need to know who this judge is. And these judges that make these decisions that put people at risk, blatantly put people at risk, I don't mean releasing somebody for a bag of pot or something. I mean child predators, rapists, and people like this. They'll let them free, loose on the area. We need to know their names. We need to know who they are. They should not be allowed to hide behind secrecy. They should be transparent like anything else. So if anybody manages to find out who this judge is, I'd be interested in making another video specifically with that information in it. Y'all have a nice day and keep on digging. We need the crowdsourcing.